Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Virgo, it's sign. This is July bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. Virgo, it's sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Messages for Virgo, it's sign. So under the deck, Four of Pentacles, King of Cups, Four of Swords and Seven of Swords. Someone is sneaky in this connection, Virgo. According to me, it's your person. There is miscommunication, false communication, and they played with you in past. And Four of Swords. Right now you are healing. Lots of you are in no contact situation. And you are doing meditation to heal yourself completely. And for some, a brand new person is entering in your life to offer their cup of love to you. But you are holding back. You are not opening up to anybody emotionally. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Six of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles and Ace of Wands. Yeah, in past everything is okay, but there is no equal give and take. You want commitment, you want stability. There is passion and there is attraction between both of you, but there is no stability. That could be the issue here. So there is no stability, but in career wise, lots of money is coming. Your money is very good, but in relationship there is no equal give and take. Then present, Page of Wands, Strength and Four of Cups. Yes, you are feeling missed opportunity, you are missing them, but this is a temporary energy. You are taking your power back. Now you stand by your power. You will be in this energy in future. The Strength card. And there is some communication is coming. Maybe your person realizing your worth, they want to send some text or apology to you. Definitely there is some text is coming. And for some, you both have age differences. And children's also involved in this connection. Then future, Ten of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles and Page of Pentacles. Yeah, I think for some there is a loss of money in future. For some, not for all. And definitely they cold shouldering you in relationship wise. That's why you decided to move on and you are taking your power back. There is no stability in this connection, but again they're trying to communicate with you. They're trying to send message. So let's see your person current feelings and their intentions, Virgo. Then we will get more clarity. Fool, High Priestess, Six of Pentacles, Four of Wands. They know there is no equal give and take in this connection. Now they want to offer equal give and take. They started listening to their intuition, trusting their intuition, and they want a brand new beginnings with you. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. Yeah, they do love you. Yeah, they have regrets. They're feeling guilty. They are thinking about you a lot. Lots of you in no contact situation because your person is also in Four of Swords energy. I think you both are on the same page. There is love, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. Right now, they're missing you. They're going through a tower moment, and they want second chances. Yeah, there is some communication is coming. Your person want to fix the things between both of you. There is clarity and communication is coming. So let's see their intentions. Yeah, they are thinking about you a lot. For some, your person have options, but they are going to be choose you. Definitely your person want to work on this relationship because Three of Pentacles, they want partnership with you, and Nine of Cups. They're wishing for this connection. Maybe for some it will take some time right now because your person right now because they are feeling stuck. But their intentions, Knight of Cups, Chariot, and Two of Wands. They're thinking about you a lot and they have romantic feelings for you. Definitely they will make a move towards you, and there is slow moving energy, the Chariot. But they will express their feelings very soon. There is communication is coming with clarity. They want reconciliation. If you are in separation, if you are not in separation, they want to take this relationship to next level. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. I think you both are on the same page, Virgo. King of Pentacles and yeah, Ace of Cups. They're ready to offer stability and they really do love you. And for some, your person is very, very independent. I think they are not expressing their true feelings, but in future they will express. You're feeling stuck because you don't know which decision you have to make, but this love is mutual. You both love each other. So let's see mutual energies. I think you are guarded up right now. You want commitment, you want marriage, you are taking your control back. You both are very, very powerful couple, very compatible couple. And Three of Wands, definitely waiting. Maybe you both are waiting for each other. But here one person is ready to offer commitment, but another person is guarded up right now. But now they really offer commitment. If you are not in separation with your person, they want to take this relationship to next level. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Virgo. I am not feel good enough for you. Friendship, for some you both are very, very good friends and holding back, and lot of abundance is coming. So the messages are, I am not feel good enough for you. Friendship, holding back. For some, your person always keep putting in friendship zone, but they are thinking about you a lot. Definitely they do love you. Maybe they are not expressing their feelings to you, but in future they will. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Virgo. Nothing is at set in stone, and surrender to the divine. So for some it will take some time because due to resistance. So if you are not getting answers for your questions, so this is the message. Just surrender your problems to the divine. For some it will take so much time because your person is in slow moving energy. Right now they are also taking rest, they are also healing, and you are also healing. You both are on the same page. And for some, definitely a new start is coming under the deck. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.